Welcome to my channel. This is Nova Beats GH and I'm Doreen. I'm in charge of Nova Beats GH. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And when you finish watching the video, send a message in the comment section whether you enjoyed it, whether it was educative enough. If you have any suggestions, just drop them in the comment section and I will respond. So today we'll be making the spiral roll beaded necklace. Okay, the beaded necklace, spiral roll beaded necklace. So I'm going to show you the things I have for the bead design. So let's get to the things. So I have a scissors, I have a beading needle, I have my thread. This is in 0.25, and then I have my seed beads. These are size 8O seed beads. So this is it. Size 8O seed beads. Both of them are size 8O. So we are going to get to the design. So this is how the design looks like. So these ones I made, this is another. So these ones I used the seed beads size 8O. But you can also use crystals to make this design. You can use bicons to make this design. You can even use pearls to make this design. So you choose the type of bead you want to use to make the design. And you can do your color combinations and all. And so with this design, you see that the black is very small in it and it's in the middle. It keeps rounding itself around the pink, the baby pink. So you will have to decide the color you want to use as the middle bead and the one you want to use around it. So with this design, I'm going to use the black as my middle color, and I'm going to use red as the bead I will use to wrap around the black. So this is how we start with the spiral roll design. So I'm going to cut off the thread I'll be using. Then I'm going to fix it on the needle. So this is the thread I'm using. So first of all, I'll pick one. Since I want the black to be in the middle, I'll pick one black and I'll use it as my stop bead. So I'm going to, this is the end of the thread. I'm just going to go through the bead several times. This is how I like to stop my bead instead of just tying it. So this is it. I'm going to leave this side. I'm not going to cut it off. So I'm going to proceed. So I'm going to pick 3 black seed beads. Now I'm going to push it down. So the 3 plus the stop bead, it's making 4 seed beads, black seed bead on the thread. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 red seed beads. This is it. So we have 7 seed bead on the thread, 4 black, 3 red. So now I'm going to go through the 4 black seed bead, I'm going to pass the opposite side and come out of the black. So I'm just going to go through only the black seed bead, and this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to pick 1 black seed bead and then 3 red seed beads, making 4. I'm going to pull it. So I'm going to go through 4 black seed beads again, but this time I'm not going to count from the bottom. I'm going to count from the side. So this is it. I'm going to count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go through this and come out. And then I'll pull. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 1 black seed bead and then 3 red seed beads. How it looks like. So I'm going to count 4 from the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to pass through and pull. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to pick 1 black, 3 red seed bead. Pull. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and go through. So this is how the design is. You are going to repeat the same pattern. And then make it as long as you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One black seed bead, 3 red seed bead, count, pull down and count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go through. So the design is already forming. Pass through the 4. As you do it, you keep on pulling so that it doesn't become loose. One, two, three, 4. So that is it. So I'm going to go off camera and make it and continue, make it a little longer and come back. I'm back. So this is what I've made so far. And use this for a bracelet, an earring, and necklace. So this is the end of today's class. I hope it was educative enough. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.